Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to do another gift basket video. This is going to be a grilling basket. I got this from Dollar General for $8, and it says grilling and chilling. So I'm just going to put a few things in here and see how that works. So I already have some paper in there to give it a little height. I have little paper shreds in there because I put it together one time, and I kept having to take it apart. So I'm like, I might as well put it together on camera. So the first thing I have is this. This is a grill tray. I got this from Walmart. It was $1.97. So I'm gonna stick that in there like that. Then I got this bucket caddy from Walmart as well. This was $7.98, I think. So it basically just holds stuff. It's got little pockets on the sides to hold things in. So we're gonna put that in there. I got these gloves from Walmart. These were, I think these were $9.98, and they're heat resistant gloves. So we're gonna put that in there. I have this. So I got this from Family Dollar store. It was $5 minus this basting brush, and this is like good quality stuff. The basting brush I got from Dollar Tree, but the spatula, the forks, the tongs, it came from Family Dollar store, and it was $5 for that set. So I have that in there. Let's see. I have this pot holder. And of course, this is one of Dollar Tree's pot holders. It said cold drinks, good eats, and barbecue. So, oh, I don't even remember how I had this stuff in there. I have the towel to match that. What is that thing? Oven mitt. That's the oven mitt. All right, and it's the set of pot holders. So it's 2 pot holders. So we're gonna put that there, maybe. I don't know just yet. I have this spray bottle, and I'm gonna put that right there. All right, the spray bottle, I think the spray bottle was $1.97 as well from Walmart. So I have these two, and of course these two came in a pack together, the ketchup and mustard bottles from Dollar Tree. So we have that. I have this beer mug. It says Dad's Mug. I don't know if you can see it. I etched it, so it says Dad's Mug. Let me see if I can put a piece of paper or something down in there. All right, I don't have no paper handy, but I was gonna put a piece of paper in there and see if you can see it. But it says Dad's Mug, and it has like a screwdriver, wrench, mustache, like a burger, football, just different stuff on there. So I'm gonna put that down in there. So I etched this glass. I actually got the beer mug from Walmart. I think it was $1.48. So this came from Walmart. They have some at Dollar Tree. They're a lot bigger. This one is, I'm not sure how many ounces this one is, but the one at Dollar Tree is bigger, and they haven't really had none lately. So I found those at Walmart. So I have this Budweiser barbecue sauce. This is the classic beer flavor, and this is the honey flavor. And I got these from Gabe's. They were 99 cents each. All right. I have this lighter thingamajigger. So we're gonna put that down in there. I have this double brush. I think this was, I'm not sure how much this was, but I got this from Walmart. Walmart has the expert grill items. So I got that from Walmart. So maybe I'll put that right there, I guess. And then I have these corn holders. So that's what I have in this basket. So I think I like the way I got everything in there. So I'm just going to add some glue dots because I finally found my glue dots. So I'm just gonna add a few glue dots on here to hold everything in place. And it says grilling and chilling on the back of the back as well. So you can use either side for the front and back, or it could be double-sided basket. I know some people do double-sided. So this would be a good one for a double-sided basket because it has writing on the front and the back. All right. Let's see, I'm gonna push that down a little bit. Put one on there. All right, so let me put it in the bag and then I will be right back. All right, so I'm back with my handy dandy bag. So I use these bags, and you can find them at Family Dollar Store or the Dollar Tree. Of course, at Family Dollar Store, they're $1. At the Dollar Tree, they're $1.25. So, and again, easy way to make a bow. If you want to, you can add a fancy bow, but you know, I don't think men really, they're not really into bows, I don't think. Big fancy bows, but hey, make it pretty. Make it pretty however you see fit. I just figure I'm going to use this bow. Why? Because it's already in the bag. And then I'm going to add some of this mesh tubing. I don't know how much I'm going to add. So I'll probably just cut this in half. And I think I actually got this pack from the Dollar Tree because I had actually bought it for a different project a few weeks ago. So I'm just going to use that, and I'm just folding it in half. Then I'm going to fold it in half again, and then I'm just going to take it and put it right here in the middle of my bow. I'm just going to tie it on there like that. Oh, I done missed the hole, didn't even put it in there. Alright, so let's try that again. Let's just tie the string around the mesh tubing, shall we? Alright. Why? What am I doing? Like, it just can't. I know that time I had it in there. Now, I ain't crazy. Let's see. Let's tie a knot in there. Alright. Alright, we're having technical difficulties over here. So again, I'm just folding it half again. I folded it half like 3 times. And let's see what's gonna happen here. If I can tie it together or not. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Okay, now I tied it in the middle of there, nothing fancy. So then I'm just gonna stick my bucket down in my bag. Open it up, and I rearranged it a little bit. I think it looked better like that. So I just put these right here, and I put the little the paper threads in between it so the glass won't be sticking together. Alright, so I'm just going to put this down in here really quick. Don't have enough left at the top to tie it up. We got a little bit. We're gonna make it do what it do. So this one should be easy to shrink wrap. So I'm gonna put this I can't even think of what it's called. I'm gonna put this on first just to tighten it up. Whatever that thing is. Y'all know what it is. It's one of them days, y'all. It's definitely one of them days. Alright, so now I'm just going to put my bow on here. I'm going to wrap it around here. And I'm just going to wrap it back around again. And just tie it in a little bow. Nothing fancy because I'm going to cut all this excess string off anyway. So then I'm going to take this off. Why can't I remember what this thing is called, y'all? Cannot remember what it's called. So anyway, so that's what it looks like so far. So I got me a new toy today. I got this glue gun. So I kept trying to figure out why I can't get my baskets to do right. And I don't know. I ain't going to blame it on the blow dryer. I'm going to say I don't know what I'm doing with the blow dryer. Because, like, I always do, like, Valentine's Day baskets and stuff. And I have always used the heat gun. I hardly ever use a blow dryer. But for some reason, I just can't get my baskets right. So, I went and bought me a fancy new heat gun today. Because I also use these when I do resin projects, too. So, I needed one. And I like this one better. I got this from Walmart for, like, $26. So this part just comes off. Well, it don't want to come off now, but my other one, this didn't come off, and I always wrap it around when I'm done with it. So the wire was giving out. So I plugged it up one day and it just sparked flame. So now I have this one, and again, this is the Wagner brand. It came from Walmart. It was like $26. So we just gonna heat this up a little bit. I tell you what, it sure ain't like giving out a lot of heat like my other one did. And the one I had was the same brand as this one. I'm not sure the difference. I actually got that one from Lowe's. So I don't know like the specs or anything. I knew I needed one and I was in Walmart, so I just picked this one up. And this is the highest setting. Yeah, because that's one, this is two. So, but I tell you what. I don't put a hole in my basket. I don't put a hole in the plastic. So I have definitely put a hole in the plastic. So I have to rewrap this. So the next time I'm going to do it on a setting of 1. But here it is. This is my latest basket. I think I'm done with baskets right now. I really want to work on stuff for like my wedding. And my fiance, he's coming tomorrow. So we don't live together. We don't live in the same town. We're like doing a long distance relationship right now. For the simple fact, I know that I will be moving from here at the end of the year. It doesn't make sense for him to do all this moving. I'm used to it. I have to because I'm in the Army, but he doesn't. So so he doesn't live here. So he's coming into town tomorrow, and we're gonna do engagement pictures this weekend. And my mom is coming into town too. So yeah, so you probably won't see me or hear from me this weekend. But this thing is smoking, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is freaking smoking. I don't know why. So, but anyway, that's my latest basket. I'm gonna rewrap this. Not on video though, but I'm done with the video. But I'm gonna rewrap this. So if I don't see you guys anymore, you have a great one. Have a great weekend. It's a holiday weekend, so enjoy it. Until next time. Okay, I just had to come back really quick and show y'all because I changed the bag. So now it doesn't have holes in it. And I just want to say I am so glad I got me another heat gun because to me it works so much better than the blow dryer. Maybe I'm missing something with the blow dryer. Maybe I don't have the right blow dryer. I don't know. But I just always had so much trouble with it. But this worked perfectly. So until next time.